How's it going? My name's Trevor Brown. I'm a realtor on the Glow Group team. I was in the Glow Group internship for about 4 months, and there was a lot of things that I learned that was absolutely amazing that they provided. One of the biggest things that I still use to this day is time blocking. Not only am I a realtor, I'm also a full-time college student at Fullerton College. I invest my time into researching investment properties, and I'm currently working out how to do a nonprofit organization. If it weren't for time blocking, I wouldn't know, I wouldn't submit my things on time, like my assignments and stuff. So having a great schedule and how to build it properly, how to be able to adjust things correctly, and fit everything in was definitely beneficial. It really helped me out when it came to like the training. And on top of that, I used to be nervous about like having to go talk to people or call so many numbers a day to be able to get leads. But when the Grow Group team told me about all the ways that there were to procure leads and all the training that they had on it, definitely curbed my nervousness, because there's so many ways to procure leads that I didn't even know about. So I definitely commend you for taking an opportunity to look into the Grow Group team. I hope that you join our internship, and I give you the best of luck and hope to see you on the other side. Good luck.